Every clean smile begins with carefully selected natural minerals. The journey from raw material to daily essential starts long before production.
Every shipment is inspected before entering the production chain.
Only consistent raw materials move forward into manufacturing.
Different minerals combine to deliver effective cleaning power. Precision begins with carefully controlled ingredients. Every component has a specific purpose inside the final formula. Nothing enters production without complete traceability. Every batch begins in a perfectly controlled environment.
Precision starts with every measured gram. Only highly purified water is allowed into the formula.
Carefully balanced liquids create the perfect foundation.
The transformation begins under controlled pressure. Each ingredient blends into a single uniform mixture.
Even the smallest ingredients shape the final experience.
The familiar freshness begins to take form. Consistency is the signature of quality. Pressure levels are stable.
Adjusting the intake valve now.
Powerful mixing transforms simple ingredients into a perfectly uniform paste. Removing trapped air ensures a flawless texture. Careful controlled temperatures preserve product quality.
Another layer of precision protects every tube. Technology watches every moment of production. The finished paste is ready to become millions of toothpaste tubes. Now the factory prepares for its fastest and most precise operation.
Automation fills every tube with remarkable precision.
Every gram is measured to exact standards.
Quality is verified before the next step begins.
A perfect seal protects every formula inside.
Every tube carries its complete production history. Thousands of inspections happen every single minute.
Robots prepare every product for flawless packaging.
Packaging begins with perfect synchronization. Packaging begins with perfect synchronization. Every package is assembled with incredible speed. The product is complete, but perfection still awaits. Every finished carton must pass one final series of checks. Precision is confirmed one package at a time.
Advanced inspection protects every product leaving the factory. Every detail must be clear, accurate, and traceable.
Individual cartons become organized retail bundles.
Protective packaging keeps every shipment secure.
Robots prepare every order with flawless consistency.
Every case is sealed and identified for distribution.
Thousands of products become one perfectly organized shipment. Before reaching the world, every pallet must earn its final approval.
Every batch must prove its quality before release.
Testing begins with careful preparation. Consistency is measured with scientific precision.
Every formula must remain perfectly balanced.
Clean manufacturing is confirmed through rigorous testing.
A perfect seal protects every customer.
Every package can be traced back to its origin. Only proven quality earns approval.
Now the journey continues beyond the factory. The factory's final mission is delivering every tube safely to the world. After passing every inspection, the journey enters its final stage.
Precision continues even during shipment. Every shipment is verified before departure.
From one factory, millions of smiles begin their journey.
An efficient logistics network keeps stores supplied every day.
Automation continues long after manufacturing ends. The product finally reaches the people it was made for.
Behind every tube lies an extraordinary manufacturing journey. From carefully selected ingredients to millions of homes, this is how modern toothpaste is made.